Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise like on paper. Evaluate E equal integral its approach from -1 to 1 of absolute values of each power h minus 1 dA. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Okay, now don't spend my time. We go to the solution together. Okay, to evaluate these integrals, I need to explain use of one rule of absolute values. That we know that the absolute values of a is equal to a if a is positive or equal 0 is equal minus a is if a is positive, and we know this this integral is brought from -1 to 1, and we know that if it is the values is from -1 to 0 is maybe is power h is smaller than 1. And so if I change 1 from the right side to the left hand side, I get e power h in -1 is negative. And if h is the values is in 0 and choose 1, and we get e power h is bigger or equal 1. So that we get e power h minus 1 is maybe positive or equal 0. Okay, now this from this, you see it have different value. So that we can write it in one rule that we know if integral of a to b of f of h dh is equal integral of a to c of f h dh plus integral abroad from c to b of f h of dh. That we know that a is smaller than c and smaller than b. Okay, and now from this we can use it that is equal to integrals approach from -1 to 1 of absolute values of e power h minus 1 dh. So I can write it equal integral -1 to 0 of absolute values of h minus 1 dh and plus integral approach from 0 to 1 of absolute values of e power h minus 1 dh. And it equal this, we know that it's negative. So if negative, it equal minus. So this is equal minus. So minus, it gets minus integral -1 to 0 of e power h and -1 dh, and this is positive or equal 0. So it can format out absolute values. So is equal 0 approach from 0 to 1 of e power h minus 1 of d. Okay, now I get it's minus this. I get e power 8 and minus 8 is brought from minus 1 to 0, and plus this equal e power 8 and minus 8 is brought from 0 to 1, and now this I get minus of e power 0 and minus 0, and this minus, okay, e power minus 1 and minus 1, so we get plus 1. Okay, plus this we get e power 1 and minus 1, and minus e power 0 and minus 0. Okay, now is equal this minus 1, and that's plus 1 divided by e, and plus 1, and this I get plus e and minus 1 and minus 1. So this we can cancel this. We get 1 divided by e and plus e and minus 2 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.